A very good day to all our listeners. Hope you've all had a fantastic trading week so far. A quick look at the major theme then as we're heading towards the weekend, and that undoubtedly being the situation and negotiations on the extension of the loan programme for Greece. In terms of where we trade at the moment in towards Friday's close, equity markets in the US in particular, all-time highs once again in the E-mini S&P. Dow Jones touching a record high for this year as well today, and the Nasdaq 100 its 8th consecutive day of gains. So it looks like some optimism that a compromise is looming as we await now the official press conference coming from the Eurogroup. Looks like there's been some concessions in terms of the actual Eurogroup themselves. They are going to offer an extension of 4 months, so slightly shorter than the initial 6 months which was speculated towards the beginning of the week. But it looks like that's enough then to bring the Greek new government to the table and make some agreements. In terms of the finer print and details, it could well be the case that we'll see a more formalised letter compiled over the weekend presented by Greece on Monday. One thing to keep in mind that the local markets in Greece are closed for a public holiday on Monday as well. Otherwise, and just in terms of some other news to keep aware of and abreast of information on the Ukraine situation, we've had various European politicians, one notably being the German Chancellor Merkel, who has once again today reiterated their stance of the Western powers that they could well look to do further sanctions on Russia if it were the case that the ceasefire agreed with Ukraine were to break down. That pretty much though concludes the state of play at the moment. I'll be keeping a very close eye on any Greek-related news that comes out on the weekend, whether or not we do have a formalised agreement from the Eurogroup. But for the time being, I wish you all a fantastic weekend, and if you are based in China, Happy New Year and Gong Hei Fat Choi. Thank you.